Hello students, today we are going to discuss the topic human teeth. See children, if you want to speak or eat food, we need teeth. So, in human beings, these human teeth are diphyodont. Diphyodont. Here, diphyodont means we have in humans two sets of teeth. That is, during the early age, that is from 6 months, from 6 months of their birth till 1 or 2 years, they are going to get the teeth which are of deciduous type. Deciduous. They are nothing but milk teeth. They are milk teeth. And these teeth, after some years, that is from 6 or 7 years, they will fall off and they are going to get the permanent teeth. Permanent set of teeth. They are going to get the permanent set of teeth. Here, during the early years, they are going to have the humans milk teeth. They are of deciduous type. They are replaced by the permanent set of teeth. Here, during their lifetime, they are going to have two sets of teeth. Hence, in human beings, it is known as diphyodont type of teeth. Okay. Now, we'll see the arrangement of teeth. So, to eat the food, to chew the food, we need teeth. And also, speak clearly, we need teeth. So, how they are arranged in our mouth, we are going to discuss now. See children, we have two jaws, upper jaw and lower jaw. And totally in humans, they have 32. How many teeth? 32 teeth are present. During the early age, they have only 20 teeth. That is, in childhood, they have 20 teeth. As they grow, there will be 32 teeth. How they are arranged in our mouth, on the upper jaw and lower jaw, now we are going to discuss. See, there are 4 different types of teeth in human adult. What are they? We will discuss. See, look at the teeth. See here, this is the lower jaw. These 4 teeth, they are the incisors. See here, these 4 teeth, 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 teeth, they are the incisors. They are used for biting any food. So hence they are known as biting teeth. Next, beside the incisors, there is a teeth here, this tooth on right and left. They are used for tearing the food. Hence they are known as tearing teeth and they are canines. So on either side of the incisors, you can see canines. They are used for tearing the food. Next, beside the canines, you can see premolars. These two, they are premolars. Here on the left side and also on the right side of the canine, you can find 2 teeth. They are premolars. They are used for chewing the food. hence they are known as chewing teeth. And adjacent to premolars you can find molars. These on the right and also on the left you can find molars. So here totally you can see these teeth, 3 molars. They are used for grinding the food, hence they are known as grinding teeth. So these are molars. So once again we'll see. So here these 4 teeth, they are incisors for biting the food, and beside the incisors you can see the canines, one on either side. They are the tearing teeth. Premolars beside the canines, they are the chewing teeth, and besides premolars you can find molars, they are the grinding teeth. So these are the 4 different types of teeth which are present on both the jaws, same on upper and lower jaw. So totally how many teeth are present? We will calculate now. So here is a dental formula: 2 1 2 3 upper jaw and also lower jaw, 2 1 2 3. So here look at the jaw. Here the set of teeth are same on either side, left side and right side, and also on the upper jaw and also lower jaw, upper and lower jaw, left and right. So the dental formula is given half left side or right side of the jaw and also upper and lower jaw. Look at this dental formula. This is on one side. So when we calculate the number of teeth on left and right, so left 2 1 2 3, 2 incisors, 1 canine, 2 premolars, 3 molars on left of the upper jaw, and right of the upper jaw also you can find 2 incisors, 1 canine, 2 premolars and 3 molars. So here these are incisors, canines, premolars and molars. ICPM. You can easily remember. In I is incisors, C is canines, P is premolars and M is molars. So ICPM on left side of the upper jaw and right side of the upper jaw, same. Next on lower jaw, this is lower jaw, left and right. So here also 2 1 2 3 2 1 2 3 incisors, canines, premolars and molars. So totally how many number of teeth we'll calculate now? See, left 2 incisors, right 2 incisors. Totally 4 incisors on the upper jaw and 4 incisors on the lower jaw. So totally how many teeth? Incisors 8. Next one is canines. 1 on left, 1 on right. So totally 2 on upper jaw, 2 on lower jaw. These are canines. So totally 2 and 2, 4 canines. The tearing teeth present are 4. Next comes the premolars. Premolars, upper jaw left, upper jaw right, 2 2. So totally 4 on upper jaw and 4 on lower jaw. Totally the premolars, that are chewing teeth, they are 8. Next is molars. The last teeth, they are the molars, 3 on left, 3 on right. So 3 plus 3, 6 on the upper jaw and 6 on the lower jaw. 6 plus 6. They are totally, molars are grinding teeth are 12. So when we add up, sum up all the teeth, those are incisors, they are 8, canines are 4, premolars are 8 and molars are 12. So totally there are 32 teeth in the human mouth. So here in this manner we can calculate the number of teeth present in the human body. So children, teeth are very important to chew the food and also to speak clearly. Hence, we have to take care of our teeth very carefully. So, you have to see that they remain healthy always. If any food remains in the jaws or this, they are going to develop the cavities, and it, as the food remains, help the bacteria to grow in our teeth, and they cause harm to our teeth and causes cavities. So you can see the color of the teeth changes to yellow, and the gums also swell, and bleed results in toothache. So hence we should brush our teeth properly twice a day. Okay children, I hope you all will take care of your teeth and be healthy. Thank you for watching, and keep watching. Like this we will be doing interesting videos, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Science Innovators. Thank you.